is Jörg Hofmann. I'm Director Culinary Excellence and I'm based in Neu-Isenburg. The reason why I choose paella is, for me, paella represents the spirit and the fire and everything what belongs to Spain in the southern part of Europe. I basically took the dish, deconstructed it and reconstructed it. I took the main ingredients, in this case chicken, beans and chipirones, and created hopefully something completely new in the first few, but if you would tasted it, you would really recognize all the flavors and fragrances necessary for paella.